guys, Garage 79R. We're in Earl. We're doing some tuning today. Doing a data log right now. So I got the SpeedyEFI Speedy Window based Fishdog ECU in the car. It's still running batch fire and batch ignition. And I got RX-8 injectors and a GM idle or intake air temperature sensor because it's a screw install. The Toyota is a push-in, and there's no easy way to secure it in a charge pipe. We're still not intercooled. I'm not going for anything crazy. This is like my first go around doing anything like this, and it's working out pretty decent. I actually dropped it off of my tuners the other week, and he couldn't make heads or tails of it. I don't know, maybe he just wasn't comfortable with it. So he gave it back to me, no charge or anything, and I've just been trying to figure it out myself. The important thing of logging is to do, try to have different load points and different gears, different RPMs. And that way, when you, and I'll pull over and show you in a minute, when you do an analyze, then it can try to better shape what you're trying to achieve. I didn't know you could do it like this. I would have done it from the get-go. You get the top tier Tuner Studio and Mega Log Viewer and stuff like that. You can basically draw out where you want your AFRs to be. You try to make a safe table, you do some logs, and it goes off of what your table says and trims it for you, which is actually pretty fantastic, and it's probably what a lot of tuners end up doing. But it works. So that little thwomp, part of that's I got way too much acceleration enrichment. Right now I'm just trying to get the map pretty decent. And I also have a plan to integrate the water-to-air intercooler soon. Alright, so I finished data logging. So what we're going to do is go over here to Mega Log Viewer, open my latest data log, do VE Analyze, run analysis, okay, accept table, I save tune. Alright, save that, go to here, load tune, my car's gonna burp because I'm loading a new tune. This time it kicked off. Sometimes it stays running. So the new tune is loaded in. It's not happy. It's never happy when the fan's on. So there I am. I'm starting another log. This is going to be my last one today because I got to get back to work. So you just drive it. Do logs and keep driving it. And eventually it gets better. I still got to figure out timing. Timing's another issue. I kind of just trying to keep a good ear out. I might make some detonation earphones. But I mean, hey, car's running and driving on a $250 ECU. That's just amazing. And then I did all of it. I wired it, I'm tuning it, and it's mostly usable. So that's pretty fantastic. You can hear my pops and bangs. Yeah, I tweaked it for some extra character on the decel. So I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm racing the Yaris next Sunday. Because this won't be ready, and I want to get the air-to-water intercooler made before I race it, because these temps are pretty high. During some of the pools, it gets over 160 degrees on the air intake temp, so we're not going to lean on it until I got a cooler on there. So, see you guys later.